So I'm going to do a quick tutorial. So basically, I'm going to do some rotation animations for when he's aiming. So what I have now is if I'm aiming and I rotate the camera, his foot's not rotating, so that's what I'm going to implement. So I have the two animations here, rotate left and rotate right. So with those selected, I'm going to go into animation, loop time, and apply. Same for the right. And in the animator, I'm going to go to base layer, and I'll drag the rotate left. So this is, I'll rename it to aim rotate left. And this one is aim rotate right. So I'm going to create two booleans. One's going to be called rotating left, and another one's going to be called rotating right. So from here, I'm going to right click, make transition, select the triangle, turn off has exit time, create a condition is rotating left is true. Actually, I'm going to rename this to, okay. From here, make a transition back. And this is if the condition is rotating left is false. Transition. Is rotating right is true, and then it goes back if it's if rotating right is false. And I'll do it this way too. I want to do 2. Is rotating left is false, rotating right is true, and the other way. Make 2 of these. Rotating left is true, and rotating right is false. Okay, so with that done, I want to go into the script, and in the script I need to find, I actually need to make 2 variables. Bool is rotating right or rotating left is false by default. Bool is rotating right equals false. So I need to think for a second. In order to do this, I'm going to use the new input system. There's ways to do this with code, but I think it's just so much easier with the new input system. So I'm just going to open up the new inputs that I created for the character, and I'm going to create an action called, let's call it mouse. So this is not going to interfere with the functioning of the mouse that I have currently. So this one's going to be value, control type, vector 2, finding, actually I'm going to create one, up, down, left, right, and I'll just delete this one, and then up, down, or up, it's going to be mouse, mouse up, down is mouse down, left is mouse left, and right is mouse right. Okay, and I have to make sure that I press save, and I want to close this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here. I want to create, let's copy and paste this. In vector 2, I'm going to put mouse input. And near the bottom, this is where I have all the scripting for the controls. So I'm going to copy and paste this on move. I'll just call this on mouse. So it's just taking the input of the mouse and it's storing it in this variable that I just created. So I'm going to compile that. And once that's compiled, actually while that's compiling, I'll just go up here into the update function. So I'll just say if mouse input dot y is greater than 0. I'll just make all these conditions. So else if mouse input y is smaller, and else if mouse input y equals 0. Okay, so for the first one, if it's greater than y, that means he's turning right. So oops. Animator dot set bool rotating left, rotating right. Okay, so set bool rotating right is true. Rotating left is false. So let's copy and paste these. And these are flipped. So if it's smaller than 0, that means it's going the other direction. So false for rotating right, and true for rotating left. But if mouse input y is 0, that means they're both false. So I'll just compile that, hop into the editor, Okay, this is taking a while. Okay, so with the character selected, I'm going to go into player input, go to events, go to main character, and I have a mouse input that I created in the input here. So I'm going to press the plus button, and I'm going to drag and drop the script into this slot here, and I'm going to go to main character script and get on mouse. So I think that should be everything. So I'm going to find out now if it works. So I'm going to hit play. Okay, it's really choppy. I don't know why. Okay, so if I press the mouse button, left mouse button to aim, so there's some foot movement. I'm not sure if I really like the animations. Okay, I see the faster I go, the more proper it looks. If it's slow, so I have to go really fast. Okay, I'm not sure how to fix that, but it basically is. I would say that it is working. It's just that it's just going slow. I guess it messes with the input. It doesn't have a constant input, so you want constant input in order for it to go nice and smoothly like this. Okay, that's all I wanted to do for this video. Thanks for watching, and please be on the lookout for more videos. The next video is going to be weapon equip and crouching. Okay, so hopefully I'll see you then. Thanks.